Welcome to this audiobook summary of Phantoms in the Brain by V.S. Ramachandran. In this fascinating exploration of the human mind, Ramachandran takes us on a journey through the complex and often mysterious workings of our brains. He shares captivating stories of patients with unusual neurological conditions, offering insights into how our brains construct our reality. So, sit back, relax, and let's delve into the intriguing world of our minds. V.S. Ramachandran, a leading neuroscientist, begins by introducing us to the concept of phantom limbs. This phenomenon occurs when individuals who have lost a limb still experience sensations as if the limb was still there. For example, a person may feel itching or pain in a hand that no longer exists. Ramachandran uses these cases to illustrate how the brain maps our bodies and creates our perception of reality. He explains that our brains have a body map that represents different parts of our bodies. When a limb is amputated, the area in the brain that corresponds to that limb does not simply shut down. Instead, it can become hyperactive or misfire, leading to phantom sensations. Through careful experimentation, Ramachandran discovers that by using mirrors, he can help patients alleviate their phantom limb pain. When patients look into a mirror and see the reflection of their intact limb, their brains can be tricked into thinking that the phantom limb is actually moving. This innovative technique shows how adaptable our brains can be. Ramachandran also discusses another intriguing condition called synesthesia. In this phenomenon, the stimulation of one sense leads to automatic experiences in another sense. For example, a person with synesthesia might hear colors or see sounds. Ramachandran shares the story of a patient who sees letters and numbers as having specific colors. This unusual sensory overlap provides a unique perspective on how our brains process information. Through studying synesthesia, Ramachandran reveals that the brain is wired for cross-communication between different sensory regions. This challenges the traditional view of how our senses operate independently. Instead, it suggests that our perception of the world is more interconnected than we realize. By exploring these unusual cases, Ramachandran helps us understand the intricate wiring of the brain and how it shapes our experiences. Another captivating topic in the book is the concept of anosognosia. This condition occurs when a person is unaware of their own disabilities or impairments. For instance, a stroke patient may not recognize that they have lost the ability to move one side of their body. Ramachandran explains that this lack of awareness is not simply denial, instead, it reflects a fundamental disconnect in the brain's understanding of self. He describes how the brain constructs a narrative about who we are, and when this narrative is disrupted, it can lead to profound confusion. By studying patients with anosognosia, Ramachandran sheds light on the complex relationship between the brain, body, and self-awareness. This exploration invites us to reconsider our understanding of consciousness and how our minds perceive reality. Ramachandran also delves into the phenomenon of Capgras syndrome, where individuals believe that their loved ones have been replaced by imposters. This bizarre condition provides insights into how the brain processes familiarity and emotional connections. When a person sees a loved one, their brain typically generates a strong emotional response. However, in Capgras syndrome, this emotional response is disrupted, leading to a sense of detachment and disbelief. Through his work with patients, Ramachandran reveals how our brains create a sense of trust and recognition. When this process is interrupted, it can lead to confusion and fear. His research highlights the importance of emotional connections in our understanding of others and ourselves. Throughout the book, Ramachandran emphasizes the plasticity of the brain, its ability to change and adapt in response to experiences. He argues that understanding these unique neurological conditions can unlock the secrets of how the brain works. By studying the exceptions and anomalies, we gain valuable insights into the general principles of brain function. Ramachandran's storytelling is engaging and accessible, drawing readers into the world of neuroscience without overwhelming them with technical jargon. He combines personal anecdotes, clinical case studies, and scientific explanations, making complex concepts easy to understand. His passion for understanding the human brain shines through, making the book both informative and enjoyable. In conclusion, Phantoms in the Brain takes us on a captivating journey into the mysteries of the human mind. V.S. Ramachandran's exploration of neurological conditions challenges our perceptions of reality and self. Through the stories of patients, he reveals the brain's incredible complexity and adaptability. By understanding these phenomena, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of our own minds. Thank you for joining me in this summary. I hope you feel inspired to explore the fascinating world of neuroscience further. If you enjoyed this audiobook summary, please like and subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember, our brains are not just organs, they are the very essence of our experiences and identities. Let's continue to unlock the mysteries of the mind together.